Welcome to Harada Heritage Park, located at 13099 65th Street in Eastvale, California. Harada has a lot of features such as baseball and softball fields, barbecue grills, concession stands for event use, dog parks with agility equipment, electric plugs, gazebos, a playground area, restrooms, skateboard park, and a soccer field. In addition, Harada Park also holds the Harada Neighborhood Center, also known as the HNC. One of my favorite features of this park are the huge soccer fields and batting cages. So, make sure when you come to visit this beautiful place, be ready to play some ball. Stay beautiful, Eastvale. This is King Saya signing off.